Hey, Chris Whitehurst on Womble Real Estate. I'm really excited about this special edition of Places and Faces of the Albemarle. I'm going to sit down with three absolute rock stars of the real estate industry. We're going to talk about how we can help you get through the tipsy-turvy market that has happened over the last couple of months. I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is Places and Faces of the Albemarle Special Edition. All right, Kendall, we've had some good laughs already this morning. We haven't even started. I'm really excited to sit down with you. For those who are watching who may not know you, introduce yourself, tell them a little about who you are and what you do with Advance.
Sure, absolutely. My name is Kendall Ormsby. I am a mortgage loan consultant for Advance Financial Group. Advance Financial Group is a subsidiary of Town Bank Mortgage, and I have been in the real estate business since 2002.
Okay, so you've seen the roller coaster. We're going to talk about that in just a few minutes.
Absolutely. Written a wave or two.
As an agent, I've worked with you a couple of times, and one of the things that I absolutely love about working with you is it's certainly not a one-size-fits-all. You've done a great job with every one of my clients, and every client has got a very specific set of needs and issues to deal with. And one of the things I love about you in Advance is the fact that you're able to kind of custom fit. Tell me some of the things that Advance offers to help buyers right now in the market that is certainly very different than it was a year ago.
Absolutely. We, like I just mentioned, we've been riding the wave. Interest rates have gone up, which of course, sadly, we were living in an unrealistic market for a couple of years.
100%.
We're not going to see 2%, 3% interest rates, I don't think anytime soon.
Right.
But we are competitive when it comes to interest rates, and I know working alongside of referral partners like you, we will team up and figure out different avenues for our customers and clients in regards to if there's seller contribution or whatnot, we can work together to see where to apply that money. So we offer temporary buy downs. Customers can purchase points to buy their rates down. And on top of that, we have fantastic like grant programs, first-time home buyer programs, down payment programs for those coming through the gates looking to begin their path to homeownership.
Okay, speaking of the path to homeownership, someone's watching this at home, they go, oh wait, I'm ready. What's the pathway to get in touch with you?
Yeah.
What is their process to get started?
Absolutely. To each his own. I know the millennials like to hide behind their computer screen, and I can be reached at kendallhomemortgage.com.
I'm not a millennial, but I like to hide behind my computer screen.
Same.
Too. I'm an introvert.
Same. I get it. Or you could give me a call anytime. That's one thing that we pride ourselves on at Advance is availability. Our doors and our day does not end. Our doors don't close and our day doesn't end at 5 p.m.
That's good.
We're available evenings, weekends. Real estate never stops.
No,
so we don't either.
Yeah. You're a real estate mortgage professional, but you got into this as a real estate agent, correct?
I did.
How does your experience as an agent give your clients as a mortgage professional an advantage? How does that help you?
Yeah, so I love to say that I understand all three sides of the transaction. I've been a homeowner, so I've gone through the home buying process. I've represented people as a realtor like you, and I've been on the financing side. So it's not, I like people to know that I'm not just a numbers girl. I've been a consumer, I've been a realtor, and I've been a loan officer.
Sure.
I always tell myself I wish I knew then what I know now in regards to financing.
Hindsight's always 20/20.
Absolutely, because I never took the time to really dive in and understand finance, in mortgages, which realtors don't have to, but having a basic understanding of what's required and needed is huge, especially since you as a realtor are the first line of defense. So calculating a payment, for example, being able to do that through the gate and let someone know that they're going to be comfortable with their monthly mortgage payment is huge.
Okay.
So.
All right. You did so far so good, right? We made it up to this point in the interview, so we're good. We're good. We're going to wrap things up. What's one thing you think every potential client should know about you and Advance Financial?
We are a one-stop shop.
Okay.
And availability is huge. And by one-stop shop, I mean we have everything from first-time homebuyer programs all the way up to renovation loans and construction to perm financing. Okay. So we are not just conventional FHA and VA. We have all ranges of financing for anyone. And again, we pride ourselves as being available. We're affiliated with one of the best real estate companies in Hampton Roads in Northeast North Carolina, and also one of the best hometown banks, which is Town Bank Mortgage. So yeah, availability, products, we aim to please all.
I got you. And I almost forgot.
Yes.
You just started a new position,
Yes.
sort of with it. So tell me about what that is.
Yeah, exactly. So I am not only the in-house lender / loan officer for Rose and Womble's Moyock and Elizabeth City offices, but I just took on the in-house and trusted lender for Rose and Womble's New Homes division, which is near and dear to me.
Sure.
Because when I got into the industry back in 2002, I started selling for Rose and Womble's New Homes division.
Okay, so you've kind of got a chance to come full circle.
It's coming full
That's
circle.
Awesome. That's fantastic.
So I get to work with some of the managers and realtors that I worked with back then, and yeah.
Even more of a benefit to the clients because you know the whole inner
Absolutely,
workings
it's
of
like
all
my
that stuff.
niche.
Right, that's
So,
fantastic.
yeah, really looking forward to this year.
So if someone wanted to get in touch with you, I'm gonna flash some graphics up on the
Yeah.
screen. Why don't you tell us email, phone,
Yeah.
and you have a pretty cool TikTok.
I
I'm not,
do.
yeah, I'm not a TikToker, but I've seen some of the stuff, and so if you want to catch Kendall on some really good content, make sure you check out our TikTok channel. I'll put it up there. I appreciate you sitting
Absolutely.
down with us.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, if I
Thanks
can
for
help.
having me.
Oh, thank you for so much. I really appreciate you sitting down. If I can help you guys at all, why don't you reach out to me directly at chriswhitehurst.com or give me a ring at 252-312-2263. I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.